bit of cloud around, but a lot of the cloud is actually quite thin and some nice sunny spells are poking through. So let's translate that into our forecast then and start across the southeast. This is the middle of the afternoon. Temperatures in London and some of the bright spells getting up to 13. The average is around about 8 degrees, so we're some degrees higher than the average. 12 degrees in Plymouth as well, and I don't think the weather's going to change an awful lot as we go through the afternoon across the southwest of England and indeed much of Wales, although I would say a couple of light showers may just about run into Pembrokeshire and quite possibly the Clean Peninsula. But the weather's not exactly the same everywhere across the country. In fact, in Northern Ireland, a couple of showers expected, and we've seen that so far this morning. Also, the Western Isles, this is where we'll see most of the showers through today, but the other side of Scotland, it's actually a half-decent day. But some of the best of the sunshine today is actually across northeastern England and all the way down into Lincolnshire. It's been lovely here so far today. Now tonight there is a spell of rain on the way. It's going to affect to an extent Northern Ireland, southern parts of Scotland, northern England, maybe the Midlands too, but it will quickly move out into the North Sea. Then we've got clear skies tonight, and actually the temperatures aren't going to drop an awful lot tonight because we've actually got very mild air over us, so no real frost or anything like that to talk about this coming night. But having said that, perhaps quite foggy first thing, and some of that fog could linger, for example, across southern parts of Scotland during tomorrow. But tomorrow, another bright day, in fact, even sunnier than today. Friday morning will be quite chilly. The temperatures will also be a little bit lower during the daytime, bright across most of the country, apart from Northern Ireland here, quite possibly a little bit more cloud and possibly some light spots of rain. And then as we head into the weekend, the weather's actually going to settle down. We've got an area of high pressure stuck across the country, something we haven't seen for quite some time, and that means some foggy mornings, quite possibly some frosty nights. Not desperately frosty, but certainly there'll be a chill in the air. So what sort of temperatures are we going to get over the weekend during the daytime? Well, typically 4 to 7 degrees, but this is given we get the sunshine. If the fog lingers in any spots, for example through the Vale of York, it could be around about +1 or 2 degrees. And then at night, as I said, there is some frost on the way, say down to -2 degrees, but most major city centres probably a degree or so